Hello, it's Nicholas. In this video, I will walk you through what you will get in this bonus. This bonus is the affiliate bootcamp. The affiliate program is created by the CEO of ClickFunnels. ClickFunnels is a software. They provide their customer into two memberships. The basic membership is $97. The premium membership is $297. The CEO, Warren Bonson, will create this affiliate bootcamp, and he will teach you how to turn your hobby into your full-time income in 100 days. For the next 100 days, you will learn full-time income. Why he should give away for this? Because when give them a customer, they will make money. You make commission, and they will make money. It's a win-win situation. But it is not easily for you if you have no plan and no experience about the affiliate marketing. It is absolutely not easy to promote this product. But he provided this affiliate program to help you more success. What you will see during this bootcamp, you will have 100 days to see how you can implement daily action plan. And you will see there is tons of marketers. They are learning. Some of them are 6-figure, 7-figure, and even 8-figure income learner. You can see they are all in the stage in ClickFunnels annual dinner, and you can see. But not all the super affiliates are willing to share their super affiliate strategy. After they ask some of them, they will apply. And also, you will get 100. They will combine us to full their 100 days, and you can know how to use affiliate marketing to promote this product. The best part is you will get 20% commissions if someone join this membership and stay as a member. You will get 20%. It's about $20 per month. This is recurring income month after month if they are stay as a member, stay as an active member. And you can see most of the online marketers, they are also very successfully. You just simply register, get free access to the 100-day interview series. It is no-brainer, and you can learn. If you purchase this training course, you will easily sell for $2,000. But today, you will get it completely free. You just click the red button. This red button, you will get free access to the 100-day interview series. The best part is you promote it once, and you will get paid month after month. The most good news is if you can have 100 active members, and they will buy a new car for you. It's $500 to list a new car for you. If you 200 active members, they will list a new car for $1,000 per month. It is pretty awesome. They have new customer, and you learn commission. If you have 500 and even 1,000, if you have 100 and even 200 active member stay as a membership, you will get 500 and even $1,000 to lead. They will lead and list a new car for you. So why You don't know why you don't try this free affiliate bootcamp and also to get paid recurring monthly income. So there's no excuse you don't try to get free access to this 100-day interview series. Hope you can like this bonus. Thank you.